Hey tech trends! Let's check out the Samsung Galaxy Book5 Pro 360, a 16-inch powerhouse that's changing the game for Samsung phone owners. This isn't your average laptop. First off, that 16-inch AMOLED display is stunning. Vibrant colors, smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and perfect for binging shows or getting creative with the included S Pen. But the real magic happens when you connect with your Samsung phone. Seamless file transfers, mirrored calls, and even control your phone directly from your laptop. And don't worry about battery life. This Intel-powered beast lasts all day long, even with demanding tasks. The 360-degree hinge is surprisingly versatile, perfect for tent mode on flights or sketching with the S Pen. The keyboard is comfortable, and while the numpad might be a bit of an adjustment, the overall performance is smooth and snappy. The Galaxy Book5 Pro 360, a premium laptop that truly shines when paired with your Samsung ecosystem. That's Tekken 90.